But she was better. I saw them last Friday. Yeah. She was
Yung potato, mag-isa lang, masarap na eh. Kahit walang,
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, yung sarap ng buto.
kahit walang sauce.
Walang ketchup.
Ano to, jalapeno?
Ano ba yan? Eh, gamitin mo kaya yung fork mo. Ay, yung ano.
yeah. I mean, it was kind
Gusto mo tikmam?
of 1-2 punch.
Tingnan mo yan. Hiwa mo ka na mali. Gamitin mo kasi yung knife mo.
It was what it was.
Hirap na hirap to.
And I didn't feel like we're
Kalahati mo lang.
took up too much. But the thing that was nice that
Gusto ko lalagay dyan.
the last of it. And he's gonna inherit.
Konti lang ha. Ano naman ng neto?
Parang beef. O hindi, full pork.
Pork.
Full pork.
So you know there's one person
Kumuha pa siya ng mayonnaise sa loob.
first didn't know she was coming.
Hindi kasi usually kumukuha ng mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise na mayo. Ang anghang?
Sinasabi ko kay Maya yung bilirubin. Tapos di niya maintindihan. Sabi niya, ano daw yun? Tapos sabi niya, oh, bilirubin. Ganun din naman eh.